Energy-efficient windows. West Jordan are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows, residents of West Jordan can significantly lower their utility bills and enhance their home's overall energy performance. Energy-efficient windows. West Jordan is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. West Jordan Window Insulation Services offer a range of solutions to improve the thermal performance of your windows. Proper insulation helps prevent drafts and reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling, contributing to energy conservation and cost savings. Double-glazed windows. West Jordan are an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced energy efficiency. These windows feature 2 panes of glass with a space in between, providing superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Double-glazed windows help reduce noise pollution and improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. Low-E-glassed West Jordan is another popular option for homeowners aiming to improve their window efficiency. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects infrared light, keeping heat inside during the winter and outside during the summer. Low-E glass is an effective way to enhance the energy performance of your windows. Window replacement. West Jordan is a smart investment for those looking to upgrade their home's energy efficiency. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-saving windows can lead to significant energy savings and improved comfort. Professional window installation. West Jordan ensures that your new windows are properly fitted and sealed for maximum performance. Energy-saving windows. West Jordan are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. These windows are made with advanced materials and technologies that enhance their thermal performance. By investing in energy-saving windows, West Jordan residents can enjoy a more comfortable home environment and contribute to energy conservation efforts. Thermal windows. West Jordan are engineered to provide superior insulation and energy efficiency. These windows are constructed with multiple layers of glass and insulating materials to minimize heat transfer. Thermal windows are an excellent choice for homeowners in West Jordan looking to improve their home's energy performance. Window upgrades. West Jordan can significantly enhance the energy efficiency of your home. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows. West Jordan can reduce heat loss and improve indoor comfort. Window sealing. West Jordan is also essential to prevent drafts and ensure that your windows are performing at their best.